What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUNRNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. So today is Super Bowl Sunday. Most people are going to be off the roads today, so it's a fine time to make some videos. Yay for me. Won't be interrupted that much. So, I was in the store the other day, and I saw these Kingsford flavor boosters. This is the cumin, chili, and mesquite wood flavor. What you do is that after your coals ash over, you throw a handful of these on it, and it's supposed to infuse your meat with those flavors. I hate wasting money, so these things better work. Better taste those flavors. So, what I did, I went through my seasoning cabinet, and I found a good general all-purpose rub that has no spice level to it, no heat. So I chose the VSB House Blend. It's a general all-purpose rub that's got a nice even balance to it. Tastes great on any meat. So today we're doing it on chicken. A nice starter for us to use on these coals to see if they're going to infuse into the meat before we get into any beef or pork. So let's go ahead and get started. We've got 2 chicken breasts here. I've already sprayed them down with Pam. We're going to go ahead and throw on some of that VSB's House Blend. We're going to go ahead and get that grill up to temp now. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and throw on those flavor boosters. Alright, we're about halfway lit on the coals, so I'm going to go ahead and throw on a couple flavor boosters here. Give you a close-up view of them. Look like regular briquettes. They're catching fire pretty quickly, so they look more like sawdust and seasoning combined. We're going to go ahead and throw on the chicken now. And in no time, the chicken's done. I tempted it off camera. We good to go. Let's go ahead and see how it tastes. They were thin-cut chicken breasts, so they took no time at all. Let's go ahead and take a bite of one, see what they taste like. Definitely moist and juicy. I can taste a little hint of chili. Yeah, there's a faint bit of some spice there. Probably if you put a handful of them more, it'd be more pronounced. But there definitely is some hint of something extra there. I'm going to try it next on some ribs and slow smoke them and see what it comes next. But I would definitely recommend these because there definitely is something extra to it. So pick you up a bag and go with it. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you. Have a good day.